Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine chocolate. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of high-quality dark chocolate, preferably with a cocoa content of 70% or more, a good red wine, and a couple of tablespoons of unsalted butter. These simple components are the foundation for a truly decadent treat. Now, let's create the ganache. Begin by gently melting your 8 ounces of dark chocolate over a double boiler, ensuring it doesn't burn. In a separate small saucepan, reduce 1/4 cup of red wine until it's slightly syrupy, intensifying its flavor. Once both are ready, slowly whisk the reduced wine and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter into the melted chocolate until smooth. With your ganache prepared, it's time to set and shape your wine chocolates. Carefully pour the warm mixture into a shallow dish lined with parchment paper, spreading it evenly. Place the dish in the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 2 hours or until the chocolate is completely firm. Once set, you can cut it into neat squares or roll it into beautiful truffles. For the perfect finish, consider dusting your wine chocolates with a fine layer of cocoa powder or drizzling them with a bit more melted chocolate. To keep them fresh, store your homemade wine chocolates in an airtight container at a cool room temperature. They are best enjoyed within 5 days to savor their rich flavor and delightful texture. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.